Launch of Senior Jacqueline versus Nantaba Aida, and then Nantaba Aida versus Navada Rita versus Nantaba Aida. Supreme Court of Chambers. I need the lawyers, the parties, and
and was gazetted on 17 February 2021.
Document and orders of Honorable Justice Olive Mcquire delivered on 17th September at the High Court in Kola. On 14th January, the Electoral Commission conducted national election, and the first respondent, among others, contested. The first respondent was declared a validly elected woman in the Parliament for Kayumba District, and was gazetted on 17th of February 2021. 3 rounds of appeal were raised before the Honorable Justices. Finding of the court is that the appeal does not have merit, and it is dismissed with no orders to posts. The judgment and orders of the lower court are upheld to the effect that the first respondent was validly elected as woman member of Parliament for Kayumba District. Each party shall bear its costs, both in this court and in the lower court. A full decision should be availed to do so to analyze this case.
Omusango ogw'okubiri gwakugulirira abalonzi. Abantu be bamu be baguwaaba. Bangambye nzireyo nkoze mu kkooti ya Mukono. Mukyanga bannonda ali mu kkooti. Nja kuddayo mpoze. Naye kinewunkiza nti obaddewo omubaka munnange alina omusango gwe gumu. Tubadde ne lawyer y'omu. Ensonga ze zimu ezaweddwa omusango gwange. Ze zaweddwa mu kkooti. Naye ye aguwangudde, nze siguwangudde.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.